Open the furnace door. Take out the sponge between the heating elements. Put the sample in and close the furnace door. Power switch, lock. Turn off. Turn on. Voltmeter, ammeter, temperature control meter, main power indicator, control circuit indicator. Main circuit fault alarm. Turn lock power switch. Press turn on. And hear the fan start sound. Press and hold this key to enter meter setting. Press the left key for 1 second to enter the program setting. C01 initial temperature. T01 time to reach the next temperature. C02 second temperature. T02 second time. While press and hold the left key, press another key to return to the main interface. Press the down key for 2 seconds to run and heat up. Press the up key for 2 seconds to stop running. After stopping, press the turn off button and turn lock.